All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're talking about the absolute culmination of your learning journey, day 45. If you've been following along with us, building up that foundational knowledge piece by piece, well, this is the exact moment everything finally converges. We're looking at the Capstone project and presentation. And honestly, this isn't just another lesson. It's the summit of the mountain. It's where all those separate threads, the theory, the coding, the problem solving, they all weave together into one cohesive, totally tangible result. So I've just got to ask you directly. Are you ready to build a practical AI application? I mean, it's one thing to understand the theory, right? To kind of nod along when you're reading about algorithms or data pipelines. But it's an entirely different beast to actually transition from that classroom theory to building a functional, hands-on tool. And that is exactly what Day 45 demands of you. It's officially time to take the training wheels off. Okay, so here's our agenda for today. First, the ultimate AI challenge. Then, core concepts and workflow. After that, we'll hit the step-by-step implementation guide, followed by real-world AI applications, career prep and practice, and we'll wrap it all up with a summary and final takeaways. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the ultimate AI challenge. So the really crucial point here is that this isn't just another standard test of your memorization skills. No way. Your objective is actually twofold. First, you've got to deeply understand a specific topic, and second, you have to build a practical AI application based on it. It's basically an overview and a presentation rolled into one. You're essentially proving not just to your peers, but to yourself that you can create a working application completely from scratch. You're officially shifting from being just a consumer of AI knowledge to a real creator of AI solutions. Moving right along to Section 2, Core Concepts and Workflow. Now, your theoretical toolkit breaks down into 4 essential pillars that you absolutely must finalize before you start building. First up, the key concepts, basically the fundamental theories behind the specific AI topic you've chosen. Second are the components. This means identifying exactly what pieces of tech, data, and algorithms you need to snap together, kind of like puzzle pieces. Third is the workflow, mapping out the entire journey from raw data ingestion all the way to your final output. And finally, best practices. This ensures your code is clean, efficient, and, actually reliable. Honestly, mastering these 4 pillars is exactly what separates a messy, broken prototype from a highly polished, professional-grade application. Next up is Section 3, Step-by-Step Implementation Guide. Okay, so this is where the rubber really meets the road. The course material lays out a super clear path for us here. Step 1 is simply following the provided step-by-step guide to develop the application itself. Think of it as your blueprint. But it doesn't stop there. Step 2 is the mini project. And this is incredibly valuable because it serves as a hands-on implementation exercise. It's like a true sandbox where you can practice the mechanics of the build on a slightly smaller scale before you tackle the final presentation. And finally, Step 3 involves tackling the independent learning assignment. This assignment is specifically designed to push you to practice tasks independently without having your hand held at all. It's really all about building up that crucial developer muscle memory. Let's dive into Section 4, Real-World AI Applications. There is often this massive gap between what works perfectly on your local laptop in a classroom setting and what actually survives out in the wild. Think of it this way. Classroom implementation is kind of like a petting zoo. The data is totally clean, the parameters are completely set, and the environment is entirely safe. Industry deployment, however, well, that's the wild jungle. It is beautifully chaotic. You're dealing with massive scale, totally unpredictable user inputs, and having to seamlessly integrate into existing business systems. Your Capstone project is explicitly designed to help you cross that exact gap. And that is exactly why your project matters so much. You are directly mirroring actual industry use cases and deployment strategies here. As you build, you aren't just thinking to yourself, hey, does this code run? No, you're prompted to think, wait, how would a business actually use this? Or what are the practical deployment ideas for this specific AI? You're learning to frame your technical skills within the context of real-world value. And let me tell you, that is exactly what hiring managers are actively looking for. Which brings us to Section 5, Career Prep and Practice. So the Capstone isn't just about the code itself, right? It's really about how you communicate your code. And right here is your ultimate interview preparation toolkit. First off, the material provides important Viva and placement questions. Now, a Viva, or oral examination, forces you to verbally defend your technical choices, which, by the way, is exactly what happens in a real technical job interview. You also have review questions delivered via a quiz just to ensure your conceptual knowledge is totally airtight. And finally, the independent learning practice task ensures you've put in the practical reps needed to confidently demonstrate your skills.
Literally everything here is engineered to make you undeniably placement ready.
Finally, we reach Section 6, Summary and Final Takeaways.
To wrap up today's explainer, let's quickly reiterate the absolute key takeaways from the Day 45 curriculum. Your main goal, build a practical application. And to do that, you've got to master the necessary workflows and best practices. You need to keep your eyes firmly fixed on how this prepares you for real-world deployment by modeling actual industry use cases. Plus, by utilizing those quizzes, assignments, and Viva questions we talked about, you are completely setting yourself up to ace your placement interviews. Guys, this is a complete end-to-end roadmap. It takes you all the way from learning a new concept to actually landing a job in the field.
Ultimately, this all brings us to one really critical realization. Your capstone isn't just some project meant to sit forgotten in a random folder on your desktop. Not at all. It is your very first real tech industry portfolio piece. It's your calling card. So I'm going to leave you with this final question to carry with you as you close this explainer and fire up your code editor. What practical AI application will you build to leave your mark?